Well met, sandwich fan. Today we continue on the Encyclopedia of Sandwiches with number 8, the lobster roll. And here's what we're going to use today. As you can see, completely legit real lobster we have here. Look, it was either this or a couple of frozen lobster tails the size of bloody crayfish. We'll use some nice fresh baked rolls, upside down mayonnaise, a stalk of celery, the juice from a plastic lime, some salt and pepper, and a dash of allegedly authentic hot sauce. So we'll put our legitimate lobster in a bowl, add a bit of salt and pepper, a little squeeze of the plastic lime, add some fine chopped celery, then your mayo, and a splash of hot sauce. Cut open your nice soft roll, add a good amount of butter. You know what, we're going to toast it. There we go. Not a New England style roll, but it'll do. Been so shitty outside, my Christmas cactus thinks it's Christmas again. Well, can't say I blame it. Now spoon your stuff onto your nice toasted roll, and put it all together. Better than the mixed lobster. Sandwich day, good day.